Today, Rarible weighed in on the 0% royalty conversation. They said they absolutely stand with artists and introduce their community marketplaces that can enforce royalties from items listed on all platforms, as well as some other incentivizations. So super easy, so let's make one. Go to rarible.com/community-marketplace, connect wallet. Your wallet will open, pick account, hit next, read the message, sign. Once you're connected, hit Create Marketplace. You'll get a pop-up to choose a collection. These should be filtered by your ERC 721 and ERC 1155 contracts that you own. Just a note, my ERC 1155 contract on Manifold does not show up with the contract name, but I click it anyway. A pop-up where you have to put in your email, your community fee, which I think I totally forgot to set and left at 0. I did not see an edit button. That doesn't mean there isn't one, but just, fill that part out right. Your payout address, your Twitter, and your Instagram. And Discord, but we probably shouldn't be accepting random Discord friend requests. Once you have it filled out, create. This will trigger your wallet, which will display this message. This here should have your email, sign. Success! Your marketplace is now set up. Go to Marketplace. It looks pretty good, has a bunch of stats. If you're doing this off an ERC 1155 for Manifold, it might be kind of a long URL, so make sure to copy and paste it. Did this process for my ERC 721 contract as well. The URL is much simpler, just my token name, .wlbl.xyz. Looks like Rarible is going to be rolling out a ton of features for this, so if you want to protect your royalties and have a place to direct collectors, this takes less than 2 minutes. Set it up today.